Kevin Perkins out of Arizona, and we just purchased the ARK, the compact machine crusher, jaw crusher, and we love it. We're able to use our material that we pull from other job sites that we don't need, and we can take care of it at our yard and then resell it. It's just amazing. Or we have concrete, being delivered to our place that was old concrete. We could just take it and resell it. Or the next thing is we can't wait to be able to take it to our job sites that we could, take care of the material on site and use it all right there. We're just working out a few things on our end to see how we can feed it and get higher production. It's been a great machine so far. It's pretty exciting to jump into a whole new realm of work and expand JMZ Excavating. So we're looking forward to it. It's all new to us, but can't wait to see what happens in the next year. I like to get a screener so we can get it screened out in different sizes and use it in our own jobs and start selling it from the yard and also use it in our own jobs. Sizing it at the job site when we do take it out and remove it, it doesn't hurt to make it smaller at the moment. Spend a few extra minutes so we don't bring in humongous chunks to the yard. If we can bring it in smaller, we're already merchandising, so we don't have to, mess with it again. The less you touch the material, the more money you make, and I like it that way. So we're looking forward to the whole experience. We'll see what happens.